look so cute. This is my outfit today. We're going to the store. I had pants, like regular pants on, but I changed because it's super cold and I felt really uncomfortable. But other than that, I am going to the store to make some food for the Super Bowl. Cause yeah, I'm ready for the performance. We got our Super Bowl nachos on. Wow, me and Mom did this. I'm watching the game right now. And there's Polly. Hi, buddy. Hi. How do you feel about the Super Bowl? Look how cute. I love it.
Gonna be a fun thing to watch. Mahomes is only 28 years old.
I'm literally waiting for the halftime show. Mom's like, who are you talking to?
Tom Brady, where it's like you expect them to come back when you're on the other side.
You just said Bieber? Oh, I thought he said Bieber.
Takes it to the 11. Remember, they were down here inside the 10 when the Checo.
Currently watching one of my videos because I'm like reviewing it right now, and I kind of forgot to record today because it's supposed to be like a week in my life, even though today's Monday. I think I started Sunday because of the Super Bowl, so Monday through, I want to say Friday, but who knows, I might just do like 3 days really, because I don't know. This is the fit for today. Outfit on, outfit on, outfit on. But I'm about to go to Subway, so y'all see that. Can y'all even see me? They always talk about, like, this movie was so good, and they always do, like, reviews, and people start listening to his music. I'm just like, hopefully it doesn't get wrong. Wait till my sandwich gets cold. Okay. This is my first soda in a couple of days.
Yeah, take it home.
No, I didn't. I haven't had one. Guys, you can't get all up in the camera. Come here. Ready? Okay, sit. No, sit. Sit. Apollo. Apollo. She's like, why is she bothering me? Zane. Wait. Oh Lord. They don't know how to play.
Look at all that hair. Don't rub that hair off of you.
Polly. Are you ready to go inside? Hi guys. Don't mind how crusty I look right now. It's Valentine's Day. February 14th. But anyway, I'm here with my coffee. Look what my coffee mug says. Yeah, that's for you guys. But my mom literally got me McDonald's sausage thingy because she loves me. And I'm about to heat it up and I'm about to eat it. And live life free there. Have fun. Hi guys, it's the day after Valentine's Day. And I'm with mom here at the gas station. But we're probably gonna go eat something, so I'll show that. And I didn't record nothing on Valentine's Day because I did nothing.
I'm not hearing a word you said.
I'm not talking to you. I did nothing, so I'm trying to take this jacket off. So that's why there's only one video from that day. But anyway,
What did you say?
I'm talking to my camera.
What did you say?
I'm talking to my people.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. I'm like, I didn't hear a word you said.
I'm talking to myself. I was telling them I didn't do nothing for Valentine's Day.
Green beans and probably a cheese so we can tell it.
Okay. Mom's tired.
Just stand right there. I'll take my word on the laser.
Oh, it's okay. There's people everywhere. I can't run. It's hot. Huh? Can we look at, yeah. Ooh, look at that play. Oh, Mom,
Sit.
you never got me my Valentine's Day gift.
See.
It's okay. I'll take my will.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's cute.
We're good.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. Damn it, I forgot lotion.
How do you feel about
I
this?
forgot lotion.
Oh. I mean, we have these too. I said, I don't even think shit about this yet.
Alright, then for the penalties.
Me and Mom going out to eat again. You look kind of tired.
Of course, I think that's the one Dad always talks to. I talk to her with him.
And then,
Sausage. It's chicken sausage. Ready? Okay, go ahead, Jay. If you know what you
just
Yeah, one check.
just this one right here.
Some view combo? Okay. Some view combo, you want a pancakes?
Yes.
You want pancakes?
Yes. And
Okay, some view combo pancakes. It's coming with 2 eggs. How do you like cook?
scrambled.
Scrambled. Now, one more question. Meat, sausage, ham, or bacon?
Sausage.
Sausage.
The chicken sausage.
Oh, the chicken sausage.
Chicken sausage? Okay.
I didn't know they had chicken sausage. I didn't know. Oh, I wasn't listening.
Okay.
Okay.
Some view combo, scrambled egg with a chicken apple sausage.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I want.
It's just my pony. Hi guys. Tried to go on a walk earlier. My dog was throwing a fit, so we didn't go on a walk. Trying to open this package. Oh. The chips. Okay. Right now, I'm not doing anything. Hold on. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. Oh my god, why is there nothing to hold my camera? I'm eating this delicious food from Panera Bread. Don't judge me for eating in my room. I didn't feel like eating in the kitchen. Crumbs just got all over. Look at this sandwich. Hold on. Whoa. Literally looks amazing. But it is literally falling apart.